Okay guys, listen to this. This is my Patreon page, right? $1 1 month, you got to listen to this video. And this is the last video I did, Ethereum Classic and EOS. Okay, and there is a part on this in this video I want you to listen to really carefully, like only a part of this, okay? So watch this and listen really carefully, just understand why you should join my Patreon, okay? Listen to this. I've been for the last 3 days trying to break it. And now we are breaking line 8.7 line, and that's why we are making the Ethereum Classic video, because this is gonna go sky high. It's not a really good video for YouTube because nobody's searching for it, but I'm gonna wait a little bit till it starts pumping and then make a YouTube video about Ethereum Classic. But for Patreon, this is a really nice video to make. So what we're gonna see now, it's... Did you get that? Did you get that? On Patreon, I can actually make videos that don't pop, but that have good technicals. On YouTube, I cannot make anything that hasn't pumped like 40% like Ethereum Classic today. Why? Because nobody's searching for it. And if nobody's searching for it, I don't get discovered. If I don't get discovered, I don't get subscribers, and so forth and so forth. So I'm pushed by YouTube's and YouTube algorithm to make videos about things that already pumped, right? So if you want to get in early, figure out what I like, what I don't like, you have to join my Patreon. $1 1 month, best thing ever. And that's the reason why people join Patreon, not because you know, other stuff. Nice. So how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new video today. The second video for today. We are doing Ethereum Classic. Why? It's pumped like 40% today. Too many lines, man. Too many lines. We're gonna clean this real nice up. Everything removed. We wanna see only the chart. How you guys doing? How's wife and family? Remember, tomorrow, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, do your stuff. They like that stuff. Also, subscribe to the channel, you know. So let's get in the charts and see what's happening with Ethereum Classic. How far this is gonna pump, man? How far is this gonna pump? Okay, now we are into the charts, man. And like you heard in the Patreon video, we had like 8.7 line here. And let's just do like this, 8 points, I think 77, something like that. And once it broke this line over here, you can see here, it was the top over here. I think some other tops, this was the bottom, some kind of support there, but it was important line to break. And once it broke it, we made a video here. I said like, okay, now it's time to talk about Ethereum Classic. But I knew if I made a video down at 9.2 for YouTube, nobody would be searching for it. I would get like 300 views and it would die out, just like 1 inch. 1 inch was supposed to pump 2 days ago, right? But like I said in the video, we made it prematurely, so there were no pump and nobody searched for it. So it did kind of badly, but now it looks like 14%. Now it looks like it's going up 1 inch, so the video might pick up. Basically, I figure out YouTube algorithm and it wants whatever people are searching for, whatever is trending. And right now, Ethereum Classic is probably gonna trend, so I'm making an Ethereum Classic video. I also know people are searching, wanna know what it is. Are they gonna get in? Are they not gonna get in? The problem is when thing goes 40% and people start talking about it, like it's game over, you know. I mean, it's not game over. You can still get some gains, but you won't get these gains from over here. You won't get gains from 7. You will get gains from 16, you know. So even if it goes from here to 30, you know, you get only 82%. Well, if you bought here in this accumulation range, you know, up to 30, you will get 300%. You know, it's kind of difference, you know. There are people who get 300% and there are people who get 80%. So you got to know where you belong, you know. You got to know where you belong and what you're doing. So let's look at this a little bit and see what's happening. So basically this 8.7 line, once it broke it, we went ballistic over here. There are some, let's figure out what are our next steps for this. How this is gonna play out and stuff like that. So basically the 8.7 line, also the top over here, maybe not exactly 8.64, they're about give or take. There was some action going on here. So right now we have this top over here, 11.3, that's broken. This one over here, 10.4, that's broken. Now we got these, I don't know if I can call it, this one over here. I think it's entire range over here. It's entire range, all the way from up here to down here. I think we are in that range right now. You see here we are breaking the range. Let's bring back the VIX just to see how that's playing out. Yeah, we almost got on the upside on these this. We are way ahead of us right now, way ahead of us. So I was actually thinking it's gonna stop like below here at 13 or something like that, but it looks like it's breaking up. So what we have now, it's all-time top at 33, and this one over here. So basically everything else is broken right now on the monthly. That's important chart, right? So you got this trading range over here. We are right in it. We want to see how this is gonna play out, but this is monthly, so it can go all the way down the next month. You know, it's a long-term play. It's long-term play. So let's see how this looks at on the weekly, and you can see on the weekly. Let's remove the lines again, and just so you can see clearly. So this one over here on the weekly is broken. These bottoms down here. Then we got some kind of bottoms going on here, here, right? This looks like it's broken. So these were the decent resistance. Now you got these stops over here, right? So all of this this range over here, I've called all the way from there to there. I would say, because you got this stop over here, this stop over here, this one, you got these two tops over here, this bottom over here. So entire thing, and these tops over here. So I would say that the entire range is some kind of resistance area. It's quite big resistance. It's from 17 to 25. So you know, it's gonna be some playtime around here. But we are out of this bottom part, right? And then I of course got, but the monthlies are more important than weeklies. Monthlies are more important than weeklies, and you should watch them. So I would say this one over here, and this one down here, not actually, yeah, this one. Let's use them. I don't think we're gonna see what's that? That's 10.4. I don't think we're gonna see 10.4. So let's remove the area and use the all of these. Yes, let's do it like this. Dab, this one broken, this one broken. I don't think we're gonna see 13. After 40%, you are not getting down 13. You're not getting down 13. So we are looking at resistance now at 17.5. That's the resistance up here. This one is broken, and you got the resistance up here, and after that it's all-time high. So 17.3, 21.4, and at the top we got 33.16. So these are three numbers you should be watching. So let's click on daily. Let's see if there are any patterns right now, but I think there are no patterns right now, because it's just too early, you know. It's just too early. Let's look, put back the wicks. There are no patterns forming, nothing. It just blew off totally right up. Yeah, it's too hard to do this right now. It's too hard to do this because right now there are no patterns. It hasn't been any accumulation period. It's just climbing up. You can see here on the this is a 5-minute chart, and these are the moving averages: 20, 50, 100, and 200. When you see that's climbing on the 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart, that's pretty fast climb. That's extremely fast climb. You can see it went from 12 to all the way to 17. 12 to 17 on the 5-minute chart, and climbing the 20 moving average. You know, climbing the 20 moving average that fast 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's big. Let's look at 30-minute chart. You know, you can't get any movement right now. So what are we thinking right now? Where is this gonna go? What's gonna happen? Let's go up on the daily chart, and we can see here clearly that we have a resistance that's, like we said, 17.3, and that's the one we are looking for now. It looks like now you have to also remember this. In the bull run, there are no actual bear markets. There are no decent downtrends. The only thing is consolidation periods, accumulation periods, short-term profit taking, and that's it. There's no 80% dump. So I know you people are maybe thinking, oh, it's gonna go all the way down here to 9 and then I'm gonna buy. No, this is bull market. Just look at the graph, man. Just look at the graph. What's graph at now? 2.3. Like it went up and then it did not crash down. Just stopped there. Just now it's just doing like, okay, we want a little shake out. You know, they're trying to shake out weekends. That's it. That's what happened. So this won't go down. That's the problem. This won't go. It's gonna probably have some kind of shakeout movement here right here, like maybe like this, maybe it's gonna go up like this. I don't know. Maybe like this, slowly like this, and slowly climb up. Maybe it's gonna go all the way. Nobody knows what actually is gonna happen. But there are resistances. You play, you do you, I do me. You do your trades, I'll do my trades. But this is what you have to know. If you're a long-term holder, you already are into this. Like from 7, just keep my not a financial advice. You do you, of course. I do me. But like I would just keep it because it's just gonna keep pumping. Right now it's an uptrend, right? But if you want to get in on 73 at some kind of resistance, at least I would say wait for some kind of pullback. I don't know, because I'm already saying if people start talking about it, like they're gonna start talking about Ethereum, it's already finished, man. It's already finished. Find something people don't talk about. Thanks for watching, guys. Tomorrow I'm doing Bitcoin Cash because I think it's gonna pump. Bitcoin Cash is gonna pump because I had this line on Bitcoin Cash and put alarm on, and alarm went off today. So I think it's gonna pump. It's already up 11%, and EOS is also actually EOS and Bitcoin Cash are both 11.6, E5 11.2%, and Bitcoin SV is up 10%. And I also had a video called "These 3 altcoins are gonna moon when Bitcoin has a correction," something like that. But it was EOS, Bitcoin Cash, and BSV, and there's so much FUD on EOS and stuff like that, but everything is gonna go up. This bull market doesn't matter what kind of project it is, it's gonna go up sky high. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, keep remembering that, and join the Patreon, man. Join the Patreon. $1 1 month, and you can get these nice videos at least once a month, like where I say things before they actually go 40% up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.